In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix delayed TradingView charts. By the end, you'll know exactly how to identify why your TradingView chart is behind and apply quick fixes so your data updates as expected. First, check your data subscription. Open TradingView, then open a chart for the market you're watching. On the chart header, look for any notice that says delayed next to the symbol or exchange name. Some exchanges provide delayed data unless you have a premium real-time subscription. This is common for many stock exchanges. If you see a delayed label here, that means the chart isn't truly live because that exchange requires a paid real-time data plan. If it shows real-time with no delay notice, you can move on confidently. Next, change the time frame. Click the time frame menu on the chart toolbar. Select a different interval, for example, switch from 1 hour to 5 minutes. This forces the platform to reload candles at a new interval and can clear minor syncing issues. Wait a moment for the candles to redraw. If the timestamps or last price update immediately after the switch, you've confirmed the chart is responding. Now, reload the chart. Click the reload or refresh icon at the top of the chart area. You can also press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. This refreshes the chart data and the connection to the data feed. Give it a second to complete. If you changed any settings or timeframes, a reload helps apply them cleanly. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure your connection is stable and not dropping packets or switching networks mid-session. If other pages are slow to load or video streams buffer, your chart can appear delayed even if the data is fine. If needed, clear your browser cache in your browser settings to remove any corrupted temporary files that might interfere with live updates. After clearing the cache, reopen TradingView and return to your chart. At this point, check your symbol settings. Right-click anywhere on the chart and choose Settings. In the window that opens, go to the Symbol tab. Here, review the session and exchange settings. Make sure the exchange matches the instrument you intend to track. If the wrong exchange is selected, the feed may be slower or show a different session. For session, ensure the market hours align with when you expect data to print. Irregular or extended sessions can change which candles appear and when they update. If your chart looks inactive during hours you expect activity, adjusting the session can resolve that. Once you've confirmed these options, click OK to apply the changes. After completing these steps in order, verifying whether your exchange requires a premium data subscription, changing the time frame, reloading the chart, confirming your internet is stable and clearing cache if needed, and correcting symbol session and exchange settings, your TradingView charts should now update without unexpected delay. If the chart still shows a delayed label after all fixes, that label indicates the exchange's data policy rather than a platform issue, and the chart will continue to reflect the delay specified by that exchange unless a real-time data plan is enabled. Your TradingView setup is now complete and working as intended. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.